Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to pair your SOUNDCORE Aerofit Pro earbuds with your Windows PC. At first, do right click on your Windows logo at the bottom and click Settings. Here click Bluetooth Devices, and now you have to find this Add Device button right here, or just click on the devices. Add Device, Bluetooth. Now open the case lid, and now if you are not in the pairing mode, hold this button over here for 3 seconds, click it and hold for 3 seconds to enter the pairing mode. Then click with your left mouse button on your device on the list, and now you will be connecting. And done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.